Good morning, good people. I'm here for a pre-market short. Today will be a red day. The Dow is down. At first, it was fighting to become positive and it started losing. Of course, anything is possible. It could regain, but I think it's going to be a mostly red day today, especially after Thursday and Friday's bounce. It was kind of to be expected. That's generally the path that you take on a weekend, okay? Nothing to worry about. It's normal. But I will tell you, as far as Larry Jones, I'm not buying anything, all right? Because it's like trying to catch a falling knife. So it's just another day in the market, right? And so I just wanted to warn you guys about loading up. This may not be the bottom for this week. Every week has a bottom. This may not be the bottom. So I know you have a lot of YouTubers telling you buy, 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 buy. And not many are telling you to just sit still. It's just my suggestion today to just sit still. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. Excuse my voice. I know I sound like Barry White's little brother, but this is the way I sound early in the morning. I've been up since 4 and I went to bed at 1. Hey, so I just wanted to tell you that I'm going to have 2 more videos. I'm going to try to knock them out today. One, I'm going to talk about growth stock, and if it's a high conviction growth stock. Especially, I'm going to deal with EVs, why you should hold and not sell. And then I'm going to talk about Bitcoin and all cryptocurrencies, right? Elon did a crazy tweet. Remember, this is crazy Elon. First, he said he sold his Bitcoin. He's selling his Bitcoin. And now he retweeted that he hasn't sold any because of the backlash, right? As the world turns. Okay, good people. Just so remember, I'm a promoter of the Webull link. Click the link below, deposit $100, get 2 free stocks. But for those of you that are not into crypto, I suggest you download the Coinbase app below and deposit $100 and start to get into some crypto. And we'll talk about that in a later video. All right, good people. Hey, that's it. Keeping it short. I just want to leave you with a 1-minute encouragement. Choose to be happy today. And I was reading here for those of you around the world, in the United States, it's called our Declaration of Independence. And there's a line that says, life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. And what do we learn from that is happiness has to be pursued. Pursue your happiness. You may have some craziness going on your job today and your family, things you cannot control. There's a report that says only 8% of what we worry about ever comes true. So let's choose to be happy today. Let's pursue happiness, okay? Live, love, laugh, and learn. That's it. We'll see you later.